Oh my goodness, this is the golden moment for the Pakistan. Here you can see downtown United Arab Emirates, Dubai. Burj Al Khalifa has been fully covered with Pakistan flag. This is a huge movement and a great step taken by the UAE government. Oh my God, this is gonna be very good. I really like this. I really like this. This is UAE government. What have done this? I like this. All the peoples in Pakistan like this. This is the historical moment. This is the world's tallest building wearing the Pakistan flag. Oh my God. This is the 23rd March and Pakistan Day, when the Pakistan's resolution was presented. Oh wow, what a moment, what a moment, what a moment.